So hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you different ways in which you can style your hair, okay, your braids, twists, dreads, whatever. I'm going to be showing you ways in which you can style. So this is the first style, is the ponytail with two, what's it called, I don't know, with base. So just two strands. This is a very, very cute hairstyle that you can wear a lot, and very cute hairstyle. So number two is having everything in the ponytail. So imagine that's not how. So you just have the ponytail. Next hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is a center part. All can be at the back, put a bit in front, all of it in front, just a center part, okay? So the next hairstyle is a side part. So your part can either be on the left or on the right, wherever you want it to be. Just do you. Hey, do you. Then the other side. Or here. Anyhow you want it, just do you guys, okay? So the next hairstyle is half up, half down. So I'm just going to take that in the middle right there. So half up, half down. That is this. I'm just going to take part of the hair out. Out. So we have this, and it could be the other side, anyhow you choose. And also you could wrap the hair, is putting everything to the back, tying at the back. Now this is at the back, not up, and this is another hairstyle. Then you can remove your two. Extra cute. So guys, that's all for this video. There's going to be a part 2, and in the part 2 I'm going to show you more styles. So Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.